To another practice question of quadratic equations. This is the 135th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous videos. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Now, this is an NCERT question. In this channel, we solve all NCERT questions along with all questions that were asked in the previous year's examinations for you. Let's start solving this one. So the question says, is the following situation possible? Okay, so now keep in mind, the question is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Now let's start solving the question. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Okay, let the two friends be x and y. So, and let the age of the two friends be x and y. Okay, so there are two friends and let's say their names are x and y. X ka age is x and y ka age is y. Okay, the sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. So we have one condition, x plus y is equal to 20 years. This is condition 1. The condition 2 is 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. 4 years ago, which is x minus 4, is x ka age multiplied by y minus 4, which is y ka age, is equal to 48. This is the question. Now, if you look at the question very simply, I have to take the value of x from here and put it here and I will get a quadratic equation. Okay, so if I take the value of x as 20 minus y and I put it in equation 2, which is x minus 4 multiplied by y minus 4 is equal to 48. Okay, now put x equal to 20 minus y, it becomes 20 minus y minus 4 multiplied by y minus 4 is equal to 48. Solve this slightly further, it will be 16 minus y multiplied by y minus 4 is equal to 48. Now 16 multiplied by y minus 4 will become 16y minus 64 minus of y square plus of 4y equal to 48. And now arrange this in the standard format of a quadratic equation, and for that I am taking everything to the RHS. So it will become y square 16 plus 20y, 16 plus 4y is 20y, so this is minus of 20y, and this will be 64 plus 48, which is 112, is equal to 0. Now remember the first line of this question. The question says, is the following situation possible? And this is the quadratic equation that we have to solve. Now I know that what is the determinant of a quadratic equation? Determinant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now if d is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Okay, the roots are either imaginary, or we also say that the roots are not real. Okay, the roots are not real if the value of d is less than 0. See what is the value of d over here. Okay, the standard format of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of b here is 20. So the value of d for this will become b square, that is 20 square, minus 4 into a, which is 1, into c, which is 112. So this actually becomes 400 minus of 448, and this becomes equal to minus of 48. And the moment we have d equal to minus of 48, you see there are no real roots. Okay, no real roots, only imaginary roots, and that's why this situation is not possible. Okay, this situation is not possible because this question has no real roots, it only has imaginary roots. Okay, and this is the solution to the question, that the value of the determinant of this quadratic equation is negative, which is less than 0. So this situation is not possible. Also, I will tell you another thing, because these are ages, right? We are dealing with ages here. So the final answer, if I apply Sridharacharya's formula, what will it be? Minus of b, that is, what are the roots of a quadratic equation? Alpha beta is equal to minus of b, that is 20, plus minus root over of d, so it will be root over of minus 48. Okay, divided by 2a, which is 2, and this cannot be the value of an age. Okay, age cannot have a negative number inside the square root, and hence this has imaginary roots. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.